It's been an incredible rain year this year, one for the record books. And so I've been out here working on my project, the mobile goat paddock, in case you're wondering. I had to keep the rain off of my tools, so I brought a tote out, a little plastic tote with a cover. And it's pretty nice because now I've got all my tools in here, keep them nice and dry. And then also any old debris and stuff, old garbage and stuff, I can just toss it in here and then throw it out later when I'm all done with the project. And so, yeah, this is working out really well. I can just tote everything out, keep it in here nice and dry, and then tote it back with me and kind of simplify bringing all the tools out and putting all the tools back away when I'm done.